Hi guys, Mon Montenegro. So for today's video, andito tayo Lawis Beach Resort here in Omalig Island. As you can see guys, kung makikita ninyo, ayan sa front cam natin, medyo marami ng tao ngayon. Yung last punta natin dito guys, halos kami lang nandito guys. As you can see, ang dami ng tao. And then the sunset guys, parating na. And then, meron na siyang We Love Humalig Island. As you can see guys, We Love Humalig Island. Ayan, super quick lang to guys. And then may mga vlog din naman akong napuntahan natin to last March. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda guys oh. Oh, this is my ayun. So, siguro 1 minute lang natin to guys. Ito yung mga gamit namin. And then, si Neil. Ayan. So, 1 minute lang to guys. Bye-bye!